Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. This is Jamaican Insider here. I want to welcome you to Bog Walk in the parish of St. Catherine. Morning. Well, good morning. What you have here now? What you sell the pear? Yes, we sometimes refer to avocado as pear here in Jamaica. I'm not ready yet, man. Or Sue ready? No, the one with Sue ready. Then just come. Just come. If you can give one with Sue ready, that'll be good. When you say then just come, what you mean? Like today?
Yeah, then just come this morning.
What you sell your aki?
150.
150 a dozen for your aki. You still get more aki though? Oh, aki come out of season now?
Aki finish now.
Aki finish now?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, so out you say you sell every day?
Yeah.
How long you sell out here?
What, 30 odd years?
30 odd years? Long time that man. What's your name again?
Rosie.
Okay then, Miss Rosie. So Miss Rosie's stall is well stocked, as you can see. She has yam, breadfruit, plantain, potato, sweet potato, banana, pumpkin, ackee. Wide variety of items here for sale. The plantain that she's preparing right now is for $150. So of course I have to support. You know, she's trying, so I have to support her. She says she has been selling here for about 30 years. What plants do you have? Can you just show me them?
Scotch bonnet.
Scotch bonnet.
Yeah. Palm sucker.
Oh, and the palm sucker.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright then.
Yeah.
Time to say goodbye to Miss Rosie.
We got Jamaica Insider.
Alright then. Big up to Miss Rosie. Now we have to continue on our journey. So the name Bog Walk is derived from the Spanish words Boca de Agua, which means water's mouth. So now we're heading to the flat bridge. The water to the right is the Rio Cobre. Rio Cobre is another Spanish name. As you can probably tell, you know, Jamaica has quite a few names and places that are derived from Spanish, as Jamaica was actually once a colony or under direct rule of the Spanish. Going across the flat bridge now. It's really nostalgic to be driving in Bog Walk after so many years. First in so many years, it has been at least 15 years since I've driven on this road. I know most Jamaicans will have a similar experience. You know, back in the day, this used to be the route that we take when we are going from Kingston to Ocho so the north coast of the island. So to my Jamaicans in listening and watching, please comment in the comment section, when last have you driven this way? When last have you driven on the flat bridge? And now time to get some fruits. This is like a fruit drive-through.
You know.
Oh gosh.
See man, I take a picture of your thing.
Yeah man, so what the I name? It's a video.
Yeah.
What the I name?
Brother Melon man.
Melon man.
Yeah.
Which part with you again?
You're the angel man.
With the angel right now.
Yeah.
And we are there with the melon man. We buy some cane.
Yeah.
$100 for this.
Yeah.
All of this cane right here.
I got 150 still going, you know, but you know.
Ah.
Melon man virgin, you know, we have a panic can every day, you know.
Yeah man, respect man, give thanks to the eye. Let me take a melon off for you too man.
Yeah.
Take a melon. How you sell a melon?
$1 a pound.
Alright. I'm about to buy some watermelon. What else did I buy today? Comment in the comment section. These are all the things that I've bought since morning. Alright, so for those who are not fluent in the Jamaican vernacular, that was the melon man. But I asked him what his name was and he said his name was Melon Man. Of course, that's not his actual name. His name is not actually Melon Man, but because he sells watermelon, you know, in Jamaica we just say melon, because he sells watermelon, he incorporates that into his whole existence, his whole being, and calls himself Melon Man, so that everybody, all his customers and potential customers will know where to get watermelon. They will know him as the Melon Man. Very interesting, isn't it? So now we're in Spanish Town, the former capital of Jamaica. You may know that Kingston is the capital, the current capital of Jamaica. Previously, it was actually Spanish Town. Now we're going to look at some old buildings from the period when Spanish Town was actually the capital of Jamaica. So this is the People's Museum. It is open in the hours as displayed. Here we can learn about the history of Spanish Town and Jamaica. This area is known as the Emancipation Square. It is often called one of the most impressive of its kind in the West Indies. You know, Jamaica, along with other Caribbean countries, was under British rule. And if we visit these Caribbean countries, we can find old buildings like these. But this one, or this collection of buildings here in Jamaica, is said to be among the most beautiful and the most impressive ones in terms of their present conditions. Among the buildings that can be seen here at Emancipation Square is the old House of Assembly, where the current offices and mayor's parlor of the St. Catherine Parish Council are housed. Another one is the Rodney Memorial, which was constructed in honor of Admiral Rodney, who had a victory against a French fleet that had attempted to invade the island in 1782. So can you imagine if that French fleet was successful? This video would probably be done in French and not English, but maybe Spanish, who knows. Other buildings include the Old King's House, which was built in 1762, and the Old Courthouse, erected in 1819. This is the Rodney Memorial that we are driving past now. As you can see, it is still in impeccable condition. Anyway, on to the next spot we go. By the way, please let me know if you're enjoying the music. I know many of you may be familiar with the St. Jago High School, famous for producing sprinters such as Johan Blake, among others. But right now, to the right is the St. Jago Preparatory School. Both are in St. Catherine, Spanish Town. To the right is the oldest cathedral in the Caribbean. It's called the St. Diego de la Vega Cathedral, built in 1714. So you know Spanish Town is rich in history. So yes, viewers and subscribers, we are approaching that hour once again, where we have to part ways until next time. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I hope I was able to tell you something new that you've never heard about Jamaica before. If that is the case, please comment about it in the comment section below. Let me know if you liked the video, and if you did, please by all means smash that like button, leave me a like, and remember to share with a friend or two. And please, 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 please subscribe if you haven't, and click the notification bell. We upload a video every day, so please. So until then, until we meet again, thank you so much again. Take care. Also, we have 2 other videos that are coming up, so please stay tuned and check them out. Thank you.